Hi, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.com. Today we're going to be learning a trick that I call the Reverse Cyclone. It looks like this. The actual cyclone is a trick created by Ben Hughes, and it involves fast figure eights done with your arms crossed in front of you, like this. That trick is much harder and also much more cool. The reverse cyclone is similar to it, except instead of doing fast figure eights in front, you're doing reverse fast figure eights, and also your arms aren't crossed. So in this way, it's not really a reverse cyclone because my arms would need to be crossed in order for it to be a reverse cyclone. However, just for simplicity's sake, I call it the reverse cyclone. If you wanted to know the actual terminology, it would probably be something like a backwards frontal rally. Let's get started. So, to learn this trick, you're going to need to know fast figure eights in both hands. And that's it. Ideally, you want to also be able to do fast figure eights backwards. If you can't do this yet, work on that first. So start by going up and go 1, 2. Then back up, 1, 2. It'll feel a little bit unorthodox because in a fast figure eight, your elbow kind of goes up and then down that way. But in this one, your elbow kind of goes like that, the opposite way. So learn this, and of course learn it in both hands. From there, you're going to want to start with the whips in front of you, and one arm goes up and goes 1, 2. Then the next arm goes 1, 2. And then you just alternate back and forth. And the faster you get, the cleaner and nicer this routine looks. You can try to bring your arms in really close, or you can make really big motions. Just make sure that you play with the space. After you've learned the reverse cyclone, it's really easy to chain into the skip over, which I taught in another video. The reverse cyclone is also great when you're pivoting with your whips. Because you can stop here and do something in front, and then you can go back into over here, and then you can go back here, and so on. That's the reverse cyclone. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next video.